Get gradients with Keras Tensorflow 2.0. I would like to keep track of the gradients over tensorboard. However, since session run statements are not a thing anymore and the write_grads argument of tf.keras.callbacks.tensorboard is deprecated, I would like to know how to keep track of gradients during training with Keras or TensorFlow 2.0. My current approach is to create a new callback class for this purpose, but without success. Maybe someone else knows how to accomplish this kind of advanced stuff. The code created for testing is shown below, but runs into errors independently of printing the gradient value to console or tensorboard. Printing bias gradients to console parameter equals true leads to attribute error, tensor object has no attribute numpy. Writing to tensorboard, console parameter equals false, creates. Type error, using a tf.tensor, as a Python bool is not allowed. Use if t is not non-column, instead of if t column, to test if a tensor is defined, and use TensorFlow ops such as tf.con to execute subgraphs condition on the value of a tensor.
To compute the gradients of the loss against the weights, use. This is, arguably poorly, documented on gradient tape. We do not need to tape.watch the variable because trainable parameters are watched by default. As a function, it can be written as
Also have a look here, this URL. Richard wrote a child class of tensorboard. I adapted it as follows.